Hello and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Let's go over the GE diagnostic for a GE dryer. Hold the start button down and turn the knob counterclockwise 7 times and let go. And now you're in diagnostic mode. Turn the knob clockwise to go to T4 and press start. This will show you any type of error codes you may have stored. If 00 appears, you have none. So let's go over it again and press start. So go to T4, press start, and it'll show 000. So let's say if you do have error code 001. 001 means inlet thermistor shorted. In this case, you would probably replace the thermistor. 002. This indicates outlet thermistor short. 003. This indicates inlet thermistor open. 004. This indicates outlet thermistor open. 005. This indicates MPC error. 006 indicates stuck button. 007. This indicates miswire AC and high put. 008. This means door latch is stuck. And 00D, this indicates door signal stuck. Let's turn the knob clockwise to T7. This will test the outlet thermistor. And basically it tests the output temperature of the dryer. In this case, if anything gets above 99, that means your output thermistor is shorted. And as you can see, the display will rise on the right. So as the temperature rises, that's the temperature output of the outlet of the dryer. So this is a good test to test the airflow inside your dryer. So if this takes forever to rise, you could have an airflow problem which is not allowing the heat to get out the dryer. So turn the knob clockwise to move to the next test. Let's go to test T9, moisture sensor. So how this reads is it says 4.9, meaning 4.3 would be 43 volts, showing that the moisture sensor is working correctly. Test T10, door close switch. So open the door, it will say door open DO. Go back to T7. T7 outlet thermistor test is also a good test to test the heat output of your dryer. So say if it doesn't get above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, that indicates you probably have some type of airflow problem or gas coils or a nutter. So if you're having some type of heating issues or if it's taking forever or doesn't seem that hot, this is definitely a good test. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos, and have a good day.